everyone, welcome back to me and my mom's channel, F.A.T, which stands for Food, Adventure, and Travel. Today we'll be doing a short vlog on our experience at the restaurant called Blaze Seafood and Steak, and it's owned by actually Kandie and Todd. If you don't know who Kandie is, she's from the Real Housewives of Atlanta. So we'll basically be going there, and then later me and my mom will probably vlog at some, stores, probably Ross, Burlington's. I'm not for sure. So I'm about to head that way now. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Guys, when I tell you I'm so full, that food was so good at Blaze Steak and Seafood. Y'all need to check that place out. When I say the customer service was on point, the food was delicious. When I tell you I ate my whole plate, if y'all would have saw that plate, y'all would have been looking at me crazy how I demolished it. But I'm about to go ahead and go pick up my aunt and my cousin. They're going to help me and my mom vlog while we're in the store. And so I'll check back in with you guys when we get to Ross. Oh, I love this rug.
You like that? What about a room with bathroom? What color are you going to do my bathroom?
Look at all this stuff my mama done got in this buggy. Told you this is our favorite store.
Ross, #1. I had to take my shoes off, y'all. Look, no shoes. Gotta get comfortable.
Oh, look at these shells. Oh, these are so cute.
Would that be good for the bathroom? No. No?
Yeah, I'll spray paint. Oh, that, yeah, it would. Gold.
And what you gonna do with it?
Oh, look at this.
Okay, how much is that? How much are those? Or do we just get one of these? Just one shelf, look.
$16.99.
What about just that one?
Oh, that's cute.
Just get that one and put on the back wall? What'd you put on there though?
I need one of these. Oh, look at that love sign.
That'd be nice for a bathroom too. Wouldn't it?
You got a lot of stuff in here.
I like that. For my living room.
These, oh, I need this. Okay.
Which one behind it? Let me see.
Oh, look at all the trays.
Hey girl, hey girl. I was trying to give me some shoes to put on my feet. And later I gotta get in line. I just took them shoes off my feet.
Hey guys, I almost forgot to end this video. I'm back at home from being out all day with my mom and my aunt. My mom had got some things for her bathroom because she's supposed to be renovating. And I'm supposed to be decorating and basically helping her with her bathroom. So here's some of the stuff that I got. I got this flower teal white looking picture. I got this teal rug and this white and teal looking shower curtain. So yeah, that's about wraps up this vlog. Like again I said, Blaze steak and seafood. Oh, it was so good. I recommend anyone that's watching this video to go check them out. I will provide all the information down below. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. We will be creating more content for everybody. It's going to be some content, you know, that's going to involve restaurants. It's going to involve travel. It's going to involve adventure. Just a little bit of everything. So, till next time, I'll see you guys again. And thank you for watching.